I found myself as an owner in Hatfield Family Medicine having a lot of sleepless nights with our computer situation, as it were. The profitability of my medical practice was going down daily. We saw it. We saw it with just the inefficiencies that were associated with downtime.
When we first got here with Hatfield Family Medicine, they were really struggling to find the strategy for their technology as they move forward. Previously, with their IT support, it had been basically a break-fix type of situation.
We had what we considered two guys in a Cadillac. We had a guy who came in that we called when we needed him and fixed things when things were on fire. We have 5 locations across the East Valley, and even though it's sunny here 99% of the time, it does rain. And when it would rain, our Mesa office would go down for hours and hours, and we'd have to rely on calling the other outside vendors, hoping our IT guy could make some phone calls for us and get things back up and running. It was just cumbersome and it was painful, and the physicians got very frustrated and the patients got very frustrated. Our previous situation with having multiple locations was complicated. Certain sites fed into our main site and it slowed things down. It bogged down that system. If we'd had too many phone calls come in, it would shut our whole system down. DPSciences came in and put a plan together that was not only easy for me to understand, but they listened to what I had to say and what my needs and wants were, and we prioritized those. Then they made it match my budget. So they came in and did a great job. They really listened, which was key. And then they talked to me in ways that I didn't feel overwhelmed by any means, and then they just took care of it. So ever since we put DPSciences in place, I've been able to sleep better.
This is one of the best decisions we've made in our entire practice life. We have to no longer worry about computers and the electronics in our practice.
Hatfield Family Medicine and the DPS relationship that we've developed really, I think, was accelerated somehow incredibly fast because of our ability to impact all of the things that really mattered to them, from backups to reliability to security. And we could do it so quickly, utilizing all of our resources, that I really think that this is a long-term relationship that Hatfield will be very happy with over time.
We make a difference in not only people's lives, but we make a difference in reducing the stress level that exists at these medical practices. They're under enormous business pressure, and every little bit that we can take off the plate of an administrator, we can take off the plate of a doctor, that's more time that they could spend focusing on improving their skills, on improving their patient care. And that's fundamentally why doctors' offices, why practitioners are looking to invest in technology in the first place.
You can't even quantitate how much better the patient care and how much more efficient the patient care is.
I would recommend DPSciences to any practice, whether it be a specialist or a family practice. They've made our lives, how we work every day, simpler. They have made it more reliable. They have made it a much faster environment for us. It is definitely knowing that technology is going to be here. It's not going anywhere. It is a necessity, and they have come in and made drastic improvements to our practice, and we couldn't be more thankful to have them on board. In this day and age, technology is so important in healthcare. It's the way of the future, and if you're not on top of it, you're going to be left behind.